Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of plant-based eating and how it can significantly improve your life. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Let's start with an astonishing fact. Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can enhance your overall health and well-being in just a few weeks? Absolutely! The advantages extend far beyond what you might expect. Now, let's discuss how plant-based eating can impact your daily life. It's not just about what you eat. It's about how it can affect every part of your life, from your energy levels to your mood, and even your environmental impact. The benefits of plant-based eating are truly outstanding. You can look forward to increased energy, improved digestion, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. It's a win-win for your health and the planet. Now, here's the pivotal moment. If you want to unlock the amazing benefits of a plant-based diet, check the description below. You'll find guides, recipes, and all the info you need to start your journey. This isn't just a trend, it's a proven way to enhance your health. Don't miss out. Explore the description now. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits that can greatly improve your quality of life. From better health to a clearer conscience, the power of plants is extraordinary. So why not give it a shot? Before we finish, I urge you to take a step towards a plant-powered lifestyle. Try adding more plant-based meals to your diet, and feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Together, we can enhance our lives with the power of plant-based eating. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.